Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 3 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. Now we will start lesson number 7, more division. So first we will see what we had learned our last classes. So all of you know very well what you had learned our last classes. First you had learned about the 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number. So look at here, example 1, 88. This is the 2-digit number. 88 divided by 4. This is 2-digit number and 4 is the 1-digit number. When we are divide 88 by 4, so we'll take first value means that 8. So now 8 is present in the 4 table. Yes, in the place of 2. So that's why we are writing 2 here. And 8 minus 8, 0. Now bring out 8. Now 8 is present in the 4 table. Yes, in the place of 2. So we will write 8 minus 8, 0. So how much getting question? 22. So this is the division of 2-digit number divided by 1-digit number without regrouping. Now next topic is division with regrouping. So now look at here. Example number 5. This is 2-digit number 85 and divided by 5. So look at there. 85. 8 is present in the 5 tables. No. What is the nearest value of 8? The nearest value of 8 in the 5 tables 5 and 10. But 10 is the greater than 8. So we will take 5. 5 is the place of 1. So that's why we are writing 5. And 1. 5 minus 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Now bring out 5. Okay, now look at here. 35. 35 is present in the 5 table. Yes, in the place of 7. So 35 minus 35 equal to 0. Then after we had learned division of 3-digit number without regrouping. So this is the same like a 2-digit number. Okay, so look at here. Example this 488 divided by 4. 488 divided by 4. Now that 3-digit number and 4 is the 1-digit number. Now 4 is present in the 4 table in the place of 1. So that's why we are writing 1 in the 100 place. 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring out 8. 8 is present in the 4 table in the place of 2. So that's why 2 is writing in the 10 place. Now 8 minus 8, 0. Now bring out 8. 8 is the place of in 4 table 2 place. So now 2 is writing in the 1 place and 8 minus 8, 0. So how much getting question? 122. This is the division of 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay. So again look at one example. When now look at there 400 divided by 4. What is the value? 400 divided by 4. Now look at here in the 10 and 1 place there are the 0. Okay. So according to property of division, when we are divided by 0 in any number, so we will get answer 0. So look at there 400 divided by 4. Now 4 is present in the 4 table in the place of 1. So that's why we are writing 1 in the 100 place. 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring out 0. So according to property of division, when we are divided by 0 in any number, we will get answer 0. So now we are writing 0 here and 0 minus 0, 0. Now bring down this 0. So this is also according to rules of property of division. When we are divided by 0 in any number, so we will get 0. So that's why we are writing 0 here and 0 minus 0. So how much getting question? 100. Then after we had learned division of 3-digit number with regrouping. Okay. So look at here one example. So here is one example. Look at example number 5. 965 divided by 5. 965 divided by 5. Now look at here, 5 and 9. 9 is present in the 5 table. No, what is the nearest value? 10 and 5, but 10 is greater than 9, so we'll take 5. Okay, 5 is the place of 1, so that's why we are writing 1 here, and 5. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. Now bring down 6. Now 46 is present in the 5 tables. No, so what is the nearest value? 45. So 45 is the place of 9, so that's why we are writing here 9. 46 minus 45 equal to 1. Now bring down 5. Now here is the 15. 15 is the present in the 5 table is the place of 3. So 15 minus 15 equal to 0. So how much getting quotient? 193. Then look at division with remainder 2. Division with remainder 2 and 3-digit number. There is the 3-digit or 2-digit number with remainder. So from example number 12, we had done our last period. So now we will start question number 30. So student, what is the question number 30? Look at in the textbook. Now I will solve in the notebook. So from example number 12, already we had done our last period. So what is the example number 13? Example number 13 is 603 divided by 5. 603 divided by 5. So now look at here 5 tables. In the 5 table 6 is present. No, what is the nearest value? 5 and 10. But 10 is the greater than 6, so we'll take 5, and 5 is the place of 1. So we will write here 1 and 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. Now bring down 0. Now 10. Look at in the 5 table 10 is present. Yes, in the place of 2. So we'll write 2 here and 10. 10 minus 10, 0. Now bring down 3. Now look at here. 3 is the less than 5. 3 is the less than 5. So now we will put here 0. Why? Because 3 is the less than 5. Okay. So now what is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Okay. So quotient equal to 120 and remainder equal to 3. 3 is the less than 5. That's why we are putting 0 here and here as it is 3. So what is the question? 120 and remainder equal to 3. So now we will check our answer is correct or wrong. Okay. So how to check our answer is correct or wrong? So according to rules, okay. According to rule according to rule of division, suppose we want to check our answer. So look at here 603. This is the dividend. Dividend equal to divisor, otherwise quotient. Okay. Multiply divisor plus remainder. This is the rules of check answer. Okay, what is the question? 120 multiply, what is the divisor? Divisor is the 5 plus remainder 3. So now we will check our answer is correct or wrong. So look at the 120 into 5. 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 2 tens, 1 is the carry, and 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 600 plus 3. 600 plus 3, 603. So means this is the correct. Now look at here example number 14. So student, what is the example number 14? Example number 14 is 832 divided by 4. Okay, so now look at here 4 table. In the 4 table 8 is present. Yes, in the place of 2. So we'll write 2 here and 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Now bring down 3. Okay, now 3 is the less than. Now 3 is the less than 4. So we will write here 0 and bring down this 2. Now here is the 32. So 32, look at here 4 tables. 32 is the present. Yes, 32 is the present in the 4th table in the place of 8. The place of 8. So we will write here 8 and 32. 32 minus 32 equal to 0. So now again we will check our answer is correct or wrong. So according to rule, divisor equal to quotient into dividend plus remainder. So our divisor is the dividend is the 832. Quotient is the 208 into divisor 4 plus remainder 0. So 208 multiply by 4. 8 4s are 32. 2 is writing here. 3 is carry. 4 into 0. 0. 0 plus 3. 3 and 8. 4 into 2. 8. So we'll get 832. Means our answer is correct. So now look at here. What is the quotient? Quotient equal to 208 and remainder equal to 0. Okay. Now example number 15. What is the example number 15? 769 divided by 5. 769 divided by 5. So now look at 5 tables. So in the 5 table 7 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 5 and 10. 10 is the greater than 7. So we will take 5 and 5 is the place of 1. So we will write 1 here. 5. 7 minus 5. 2. Now bring down 6. 26. Now look at here 5 table. 26 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 25 and 13. 30 is the greater than 26. So we'll take 25. 25 is the place of 5. So we'll write 5 here and here 25. 1. Now bring out 9. Okay, now 19. Look at here. In the 5 tables, 19 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 15 and 20. But 20 is the greater than 19. So we'll take 15. So 15 is the place of 3. 19 minus 15. 19 minus 15, 4. 19 minus 15, 4. So how much getting quotient? Quotient is getting 153 and remainder equal to 4. How much getting quotient? Quotient equal to 153 and remainder equal to 4. Now look at in example number 16. So what is the example number 16? 448 divided by 4. Now 4 is ones are 4. So we'll write 4. 4 minus 4 0. Now bring down 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Now bring down 8. Now in the 4 table 8 is present. Yes, in the place of 2. So we'll write 2 here and 8. 8 minus 8, 0. So what is the quotient? Quotient equal to 112 and remainder equal to 0. Now example number 17. What is the example number 17? 707 divided by 5. So now look at here 5 table. In the 5 table 7 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 5 and 10. But 10 is greater than 7. So we'll take 5 and 5 is the place of 1. So we'll write here 1, 5, 7 minus 5, 2, now 0, 20. 20 is present in the 5 table. Yes, in the place of 4. So we'll write here 4, 20, 20 minus 20, 0. Now bring down 7. 7 is present in the 5 table. No. So what is the nearest value? 5. 5 is the place of 1. So we'll write 5 and 2. So what is the quotient? Quotient equal to 141 and remainder equal to 2. Okay, what is the quotient? Quotient equal to 141 and remainder equal to 2. Now example number 18. What is the example number 18? 880 divided by 3. 880 divided by 3. So now look at here 3 tables. In the 3 tables 8 is present. No, what is the nearest value? 9 and 6. But 9 is greater than 8. So we'll take 6 and 6 is the place of 2. So we'll write 2 here and 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Now bring out 8, 28. Now look at in the 3 tables, 28 present. No, what is the nearest value? 27 and 30. But 30 is greater than 28. So we'll take 27. And 27 is the place of 9. So we'll write here 9, 27. 28 minus 27, 1. Now bring down 0. So now look at here 10. In the 3 table 10 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 9 and 12. 12 is the greater than 10. So we will take 9. And 9 is the place of 3. So we will write here 3 and 9. 10 minus 9 equal to 1. So what is the quotient? Quotient equal to 293 and remainder equal to 1. Okay, now example number 19. So what is the example number 19? 418 divided by 5. 418 divided by 5. Now look at here. This 4 is the less than 5. So we'll take 110 place value means 41. Now look at here 5 table. In the 5 tables 41 is present. What is the nearest value? 40 and 45. But 45 is greater than 41. So we'll take 40. And 40 is the present in the place of 8. So we'll write here 8 and here 40. Okay. 41 minus 40 equal to 1. Now bring down 8. Now look at here 5 tables. In the 5 tables 18 present. Know what is the nearest value? 15 and 20. 20 is greater than 18. So we'll take 15 and 15 is the place of 3. So we'll write 3 and you have here 15. 18 minus 15, 3. So what is the quotient? Quotient equal to 83 and remainder equal to 3. Okay. Now look at in example number 20. What is the example number 20? 530 divided by 3. 530 divided by 3. Okay. Now look at here 3 tables. In the 3 tables 5 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 3 and 6. But 6 is the greater than 5. So we will take 3. 3 is the place of 1. So we will write here 1 and 3. 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Now bring down 3. Now here is the value 23. Now look at here 3 tables. In the 3 table 23 present. No, what is the nearest value? 21 and 24. But 24 is greater than 23. So we'll take 21. And 21 is the place of 7. So we'll write here 7 and here 21. 23 minus 21 equal to 2. Now bring down 0. Now look at here 20. Okay, in the 3 tables 20 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 18 and 21. But 21 is greater than 20, so we'll take 18. And 18 is the place of 6. So we'll write 6 here and 18. 20 minus 18 equal to 2. Okay, so how much getting? Quotient equal to 176 and remainder equal to 2. This is the example number 20. Now look at example number 21. So what is the example number 21? 378 divided by 5. Now look at here 3 is the less than 5, so we'll take 100 and tens place, means 37. Now look at here 5 table. In the 5 table 37 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 35 and 40. So 40 is greater than 37. So we'll take 35. And 35 is the place of 7. So we'll write here 7 and 35. 37 minus 35 equal to 2. Now bring down 8. Now here is the 28. Now 28 present in the 5 tables. Look at here. Know what is the nearest value? 25 and 30. So 30 is greater than 28. So we will take 25. And 25 is the place of 5. So we will write 5 here. And here 25. 28 minus 25 equal to 3. Okay. So quotient equal to 75 and remainder equal to 3. This is the example number 21. Now look at example number 22. What is the example number 22? 439 divided by 4. 439 divided by 4. Now 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now bring down 3. 3 is the less than 4. So that's why we will put 0 here. And now here 39. Now look at here. 39 is present in the 4 table. Look at there. 4 in 4 table 39 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 40 and 36. But 40 is the greater than 39, so we'll take 36. And 36 is the place of 9. So we'll write here 9 and here 36. 39 minus 6. How much balance? 3. So what is the quotient? Quotient equal to 109 and remainder equal to 3. Okay. Now look at example number 23. So what is the example number 23? 142 divided by 5. Now this is 1 is the less than 5, so we'll take 40. Now look at here 5 table. In the 5 table 14 is present. Know what is the nearest value? 15 and 20. But 15 is the greater than 14, so we'll take 10. And 10 is the place of 2. So we'll write 2 here and 10. 14 minus 10 equal to 4. Now bring down 2. Now 42. Now look at here. 5 table. 42 is present. No, 40 and 45 is the nearest value. Now 45 is the greater than. 45 is the greater than 42. So we'll take 40. 40 is the place of 8. So we'll write 8 here and here 40. So remainder is the 2. 42 minus 40 equal to 2. Quotient equal to 28 and remainder equal to 2. Okay. So this is the example number 23. Now from example number 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28, this is the homework for you. Okay, and all question answer you write in your notebook. कहाँ पे लिखना है? आपके notebook में लिखना है. Okay, so which is the homework from example number 24 to 28, and whatever I am not this is explaining, that also you write in your notebook. I hope all of you nicely understood. Thank you and have a nice day.